Hi, today we are going to see how to remove rotoscope filter in TikTok. So, open the TikTok. From here, go to search bar, then search for rotoscope. Here you can see rotoscope filter. Click on use this effect. Here record it. From here go to the left. Here you can choose any filter you want, or you can remove all the filter from this icon. Then the rotoscope filter will be removed from your video. So that's how to remove rotoscope filter in TikTok. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.